Hey, so apparently Boxland Episode 3 will be filmed tomorrow and then uploaded. Not uploaded, but I'll edit it and then make a trailer for it. By the way, the show ends on Episode 3. Boxland ends on Episode 3. But it's not really gonna end. Well, come on. I'm not that type of person who ends their shows early. I'm trying to say that the show, season 1, will end on episode 3. And then I'll make season 2.
I thought he was going to end the show.
Have fun. I think only if I don't forget. So, yeah.